Good morning everyone. Today a special assembly is being conducted on Kargil Divas. Let's begin with prayer by Freya.
Lord, I ask for courage to face and conquer my own fears. Strength of body to protect others. Strength of spirit to lead others. Dedication to do my job faithfully. Belief, help me to remember, Lord, that all power rests in you. And to remember that you have promised to be always by my side. Amen.
Now the pledge by Janisha.
I request everyone to take their pledge position and speak the pledge along with me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
We present some information on Vikram Batra, the brave soldier of Kargil war. The young soldier sacrificed his life for the nation.
My name is Aram Mahajan. Today I am going to tell you about Captain Vikram Batra. Vikram Batra was born on 9 September 1974 in Palampur, district Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. He completed his schooling from Palampur and graduated from DAV College, Chandigarh in 1995. He joined the Indian Military Academy IMA at Dehradun on June 1996 and was graduated on 6 December 1997. In January 1998, he was posted in the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. During the Kargil war, he and his battalion captured the point 5140 and he was promoted as captain. He contacted his command post by saying "Ye dil mange more." His battalion used to call him Sher Shah. On 7 July 1999, while capturing point 4875, he and his battalion destroyed 2 bunkers of Pakistan Army and killed many soldiers. But while doing so, he was hit by the bullets and sacrificed his life for the country. He always used to say, मैं भी कारगिल में तिरंगा झंडा लहराऊंगा या उसी तिरंगे झंडे में लिपट कर आऊंगा मगर आऊंगा जरूर. He was awarded with the most highest award Paramveer Chakra for his actions during the 1999 Kargil war. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Here we have a patriotic song on the occasion.
ईश्वर अल्लाह दोनों जहां में नफरत क्यों है, जंग है क्यों, तेरा दिल तो इतना बड़ा है, इंसान का दिल तंग है क्यों. ईश्वर अल्लाह कदम कदम पर सरहद क्यों है, सारी ज़मीं जो तेरी है, सूरज के फेरे करती है, फिर भी इतनी अंधेरी है. ईश्वर अल्लाह दोनों जहां में नफरत क्यों है, जंग है क्यों, तेरा दिल तो इतना बड़ा है, इंसान का दिल तंग है क्यों. ईश्वर अल्लाह.
What a beautiful song. Now it's time for news headlines by Ranav.
Good morning everyone, I am Ranav and today I have a special broadcast on Kargil Divas. On the occasion of Kargil Divas, let's talk about Kargil War, which was the first televised war viewed by the entire country on their TV sets. It so happened that on May 4 there was a report of infiltration atop of district of Kashmir, Kargil and a long line of control. Army sent its patrol and Indian Air Force launched its airstrikes. An IAF MiG-27 went down and pilot was taken as a prisoner of war by Pakistan. The then Prime Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee declared it was a warlike situation. India launched Operation Vijay to clear the Pakistani infiltration. India gave a befitting reply to Pakistani aggression. The then Pakistani Prime Minister Mr. Nawaz Sharif announced pull-out of Pakistani troops. On July 14, India declared Operation Vijay a success and Kargil war came to an end. Since then, every year on July 26, we celebrate Kargil Divas as a mark of valor and victory of Indian Defence Forces. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks, Ronnie. The news section was very informative. And at the end of the assembly, we have a beautiful dance coming up by Aradhya and Divyanshi.
Hello everyone, my name is Divyanshi Agarwal from the class 4B. Today I am going to present a dance.
Yeah. Good morning. I'm Madhu Nanda and I'm here today to add on to what Ronav said earlier on Kargil War and Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil War was fought between India and Pakistan in the year 1999. This was the fourth war between the two countries. Earlier, the wars were fought in the year 1947, 1965 and 1971. And finally, Kargil War happened in the year 1999. This war was fought in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. On 26 July 1999, our country, India, won this war, and so from that day onwards, every year on 26 July, we celebrate the day as Kargil Divas, Kargil Vijay Divas, to honor our soldiers, their bravery, their sacrifices, and of course, the victory of our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.